Hey guys, JD here with another great product from my friends at WavesRX. Today, we'll be looking at the 12-inch WaveCobra aluminum beach spike. This spike is part of the WavesRX complete anchoring system I'm going to show you in this video. Weighing in at a little more than a half pound, the 12-inch WaveCobra aluminum beach spike is lightweight yet durable. It also includes this mesh bag to transport it to and from the water with ease. So this complete anchoring system by WavesRX will keep your ski in one place. As I'm showing you now, it's not going to let it hit the sand, it's not going to let it hit any rocks. Now, do you really want to pull your $20,000 supercharged ski directly onto the sand, scratching the bottom and allowing debris to enter the pump? Absolutely not. And WavesRX makes it easy to anchor your ski properly. So with the complete anchoring system here, the first thing you're going to want to do is toss your TriAnchor off the bow. While either of these WavesRX anchors can be used alone, I choose to use them together to create the ultimate anchoring system. Look how easy the folding TriAnchor is to toss and how quickly and securely it grabs on this sand bottom. Then, with your WavesRX spike, you're going to find a nice secure area on the beach, get it started at a little bit of an angle, and then use your foot to push it in all the way. We have the TriAnchor off the bow of the ski pointing into the wind and into the wake. This isn't your typical run-of-the-mill spike anchor. The patented design offers a long hollow opening and wings that make it easy to insert, yet enables the spike anchor to hold PWC in vessels up to 1,000 pounds. And our current and our wind is coming from that direction, so we've got the bow of the ski pointed into the wind. You can see that anchor line there. And the current here is fast. I mean, this must be 5-6 miles an hour. So when you have your ski anchored at the sandbar, you'll have boats going by, you have wakes, you have the tide. And in this case, out of all the anchors I've tried on the market, there's really only one solution that successfully holds a ski like this in place. Now, this is a big ski. The ski weighs over 1,000 pounds. And these products from WavesRX are designed to accommodate skis this size and even small boats. With this anchoring system, you can see that the ski remains stable in the water. The specially designed flat top of the patented WavesRX Beach Cobra allows the spike to be inserted at 15 degrees to offer maximum holding force. Basically, I've mounted this bungee line to the toe pylon on the ski, and I've done that so that the ski can pivot back and forth. You also can easily attach this bungee line right down here. For best results with the WavesRX anchoring system, I recommend you pick up 2 Anchor Mate bungees. These are available in a variety of lengths and feature stainless steel hardware so they don't rust. These bungees effectively absorb wake and chop, preventing your anchor from dislodging and keeping your personal watercraft in place. But you can see right now the bow of the ski is pointed into the wind and into the incoming tide. And then we've got the rear of the ski anchored to the shore with another bungee line with our WavesRX fully anodized spike. And again, I want to show you this. You can see the design of this. It's got these holes cut out in it. And what that does, instead of just displacing the sand, it actually creates a really tight grab. You can see the second I lift this up, the ski starts to drift off there. So the WavesRX Spike Anchor also features a cool mounting system that's included for free with the anchor. Now, these 2 mounts here can be mounted inside the front compartment on your PWC or onto your rack, and those basically snap right onto the anchor like this and allow it to be easily transported within your ski. Also worth noting, WavesRX includes this nice rubberized pad, and this goes right on the top of your spike anchor like this. That just provides a little bit of extra grip. So I wanted to give you a final look at the complete WavesRX anchoring system that I'm using here for my Kawasaki Ultra 310. And basically we've got the folding TriAnchor that I've showed you before, our patented WaveCobra Spike Anchor, and then we've got our 2 bungee lines from WavesRX with stainless hardware. So this system here is the best way to keep your personal watercraft securely anchored out on the water. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more jet ski content, only on JD's Waterworld.